we're just cruising along here, guys, going 50 miles an hour on the cruise control on right now. Beautiful day, sun's out. We are setting pretty comfortably, consistently at 75 degrees on the intake air temperature. So when I'm done, we'll go do the same exact test, and then we'll see if that makes any difference whatsoever, dropping them down. If it drops down 1 degree or 2 degrees, that's cool because it's doing something, better airflow. If anything, it's going to cool that engine bay down a little bit better, because I'm telling you, man, this engine bay gets stupid hot. Oh my gosh, bro, this thing is insane. A week without the JB4 and the intakes, I kind of forgot. Oh my god, that is so aggressive, bro. Damn. Dude, you feel the acid slide out? Yeah. Can you believe this is a Kia, Chris?
No.
Let's do that one more time, man. Dude, it's so traumatized with the back seat down. That sounds like I'm in a fucking NASCAR. Oh, I love it. By the way, guys, this carbon fiber case is sick. I forgot to mention this to you guys in the different lighting and stuff. A company did send me this. I've been testing it for a couple weeks. I told them I'm not gonna, I'll send it back if it sucks. It's 100% real carbon fiber made in Germany. If you want me to do a review, just say something down in the comments. I can link you guys. I saw it on Instagram and I had to have it. I actually reached out to them. Yeah, this thing is freaking sick. You know, I'm a sucker for carbon fiber, bro, so I approve. And it works with the wireless charging, so. Wow, dude, okay, let's see. How much boost did we just hit, man? That's what's so cool. 19.3 MAP3. We're on 93 octane. That's it. We're not doing any E30 mix yet. So, do you have E85 around here, bro?
No.
No? Damn. That's the issue with most people I talk to on Instagram and YouTube. They don't have access to the E85, so it's like they just, it is what it is. Some people make like 2 hours. The guy that I met with the GT350, man, he said he makes an hour drive to go get it, and he's like, by the time I get back home, a quarter of it's gone. But it's right down the road for me, and I'm hooked on it, and I can't stop using it. I can't wait to get back with the Snorkels on, throw some E30 mix in here. The EWG connectors, we got to do that next. Look, IATs after doing those pulls like that, 4th gear pulls, 77 degrees. I love this temperature, 50 degrees outside, bro. It's like the best. That's great, 75. Okay, so I think we got a good baseline, driving normal and getting on it a little bit. The IATs are staying around 75 degrees. That's awesome, by the way. But let's see if we can get it down to 69. Where this thing is looking pretty sick. I like it with the, after you turn them off and they're glowing, dude. That's like my favorite. It's really, really subtle, so. So nice having things back to normal. Oh my gosh, this thing screams. So guys, I'm cruising here at 50 miles an hour after everything's installed. IATs are right around 53 degrees on the JB4, and the outside temperature is showing 41 degrees. So what is that, like 12 degrees there? So they are working. It's not crazy. Again, this isn't like a super scientific test or anything like that. I'm gonna try it one more time here. I haven't done any pulls or anything yet. I'm just driving normal. So the interstate though, I noticed it dropped down to only 7 degrees over outside temperature on the dashboard. That's pretty significant, man. So they are redirecting the air in there and cooling things down, because you guys got to think about it, man. The engine intakes were really, I mean, I know they suck in a lot of air, but the factory air direction is strictly meant for the factory boxes that are connected with that piece. It's all one system. So when we're throwing intakes in there, man, really it's just sucking in all the hot air, which is not good. So now we finally have a cold air intake system, but we still need to get some sort of like carbon fiber heat shields that kind of blocking the engine from the intakes, in my opinion, to help out more, because this engine just puts off a tremendous amount of heat. So they are functional. And you know, I wasn't expecting major drops, but they are functional. They are actually cooling down the IATs a little bit. Nothing like an intercooler would, but hey, anything's better than nothing. So, you know, mainly they just look sick. My favorite part of this particular setup is the glow in the dark. It looks so much better in person, guys, and yeah, I'm excited. JB4 4L. Okay guys, so that's gonna do it for this video. Smash the like, subscribe, comment, hit the bell. You guys know the drill. I appreciate you all for everything, and I'll catch you soon. Peace.